Welcome to our tutorial on how to invest in a Schwab Roth IRA. A Roth IRA is a powerful retirement account that allows your money to grow tax-free. If you're ready to start investing in your financial future, let's dive into the steps you need to take. First, you'll want to visit the Charles Schwab website to open your Roth IRA. You will need to provide some personal information such as your social security number, date of birth, and contact details. It's also important to have your employment details and financial information handy, as you'll need to fill out various forms. Once you complete the application, Schwab may ask you to verify your identity through a few simple steps. Once your account is set up, the next step is to fund your Roth IRA. You can transfer money from your bank account or roll over existing retirement funds if you have them. Remember that in 2023, the maximum contribution limit for a Roth IRA is $6,500 per year, or $7,500 if you are 50 years old or older. Make sure to keep an eye on these limits as you contribute. Lastly, you will want to choose your investments. Schwab offers a wide range of options including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds. Take some time to research your investment choices and consider your risk tolerance and time horizon. Using a diversified approach can help you manage risk while working towards your retirement goals. Once you've made your investment selections, you're on your way to growing your retirement savings with your Schwab Roth IRA.